Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Buxtall. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's topic is about eating when traveling. This is a big topic, so I broke it into 3 videos. Cooking for yourself, eating in restaurants, and street food. Make sure to watch the other 2 episodes for more ideas about eating when you're on your trip. The focus of this episode is eating street food. When you're out and about, sightseeing or exploring a local market, it may not always be possible to bring your own food. This is when street food comes in handy. It's a great way to grab a substantial snack that showcases the local cuisine. Many countries have food vendors, people who make their own food and sell it on the street. They have all the ingredients they need with them to prepare their specialty. Also, open-air markets usually have stalls set aside for takeaway food. If a particular vendor is well used by the locals, then chances are that vendor is definitely worth a try. This is a fantastic way to see how local ingredients are used to create unique flavors and food items, and to try something that may be completely new to you. In some places, especially in the remote countryside, there are often bread trucks that arrive and beep their horns to let you know that they've arrived. Kind of like an ice cream truck. You can ask around to find out when they're coming and request to stop on their route. Fresh bread, pastries, and local specialties are sold directly from the truck. They're always warm and very delicious. Allergy Alert. If you're like me and have serious food allergies, eating out always comes with a degree of caution. You must be vigilant. Not every country has the same response to food allergies, and they may not mention the ingredients that can cause reactions. So it's up to you to make sure the food you want to eat is safe for you. Ask questions and be clear. If you aren't sure, don't eat it. Tasting what other cultures have to offer is a part of your travel adventure. Just remember, eat smart to stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!